You are welcome again to my channel Sciences. Today I am going to explain chromatography. It is a technique used to separate two or more components which are soluble in same solvent, and it is based on phenomena adsorption. And adsorption should not be confused with absorption. Let me tell you what is absorption. In absorption, a substance is equally distributed in bulk. Very simple, if you put some drop of water on a piece of sponge, it goes inside the bulk. And we can say water is absorbed inside the sponge. And now come to adsorption. Adsorption is a surface phenomena. When we put some water on a filter paper, it spreads on the surface. It goes against gravity. Method: we take a long strip of chromatographic paper or filter paper. We make a point or a dot of a green sketch pen on upper part of it. Now place lower end of the paper in water with the help of clip. After some time we will see water moves up by adsorption and green spot split into two colors, blue and yellow. Actually green ink, which looks green but it is made up of two colors or two components, that is blue and yellow in same solvent, and we are able to see only with the help of chromatography. Dot or point splits into different colors. It is because different colors in dye or ink are adsorbed with different forces, some stronger and some weaker. So pigments with weaker forces get separated faster than stronger one. What is chromatogram? Array of colors on chromatographic paper is called chromatogram. An array of color is, here in this case, is blue and yellow, and blue and yellow makes a chromatogram. Now I am going to explain about the phases of chromatography. In chromatography, adsorbent part means filter paper or chromatographic paper is a stationary phase, and solvent means dot of ink and water is mobile phase. Two phases you learn in chromatography, one is stationary phase and one is mobile phase. Now I am going to explain how chromatograms are formed. As we know, chromatography is based on the difference in the adsorbing power of the different components in solution. In same example, I am telling here green color, which appears green but it is the mixture of blue and yellow color. And here yellow color has more adsorbing power than blue one. So it absorbed first and then blue, which makes the cryptograms. In chromatography, you want to learn absorption, adsorption, chromatogram, stationary phase, mobile phase. Chromatography is worldwide used in the separation of compounds in a short time, easy to set up and handle, and separation of mixture of drugs. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe for updates.